As you can see, all the cars got been stuck a 40-inch of snow, baby. It's gonna be psycho, bitch. Woo! Let's see how they're gonna get the hell out of here. Because we're all the hell stuck. More than 40-inch of snow, baby. Oh la la. A lot of snow.
Yeah, last night, that's why a lot of snow. Last you know, because the snow from the other side come from the...
Yeah, you're right.
That's how there is snow always.
Double. Look, baby. The hell snow, baby. All the cars got stuck.
Yeah.
Everything. Look. That's amazing. Amazing. Woo. People, as usual. But we never saw this kind of storm in our life. This is going to be a rough day today, baby. Thank you for visiting my website.